In this video, we're going to start creating the database in Access. Just a quick reminder of what we've done so far. We've created an entity relationship diagram which identified the entities, the primary keys, the foreign keys and the relationships. And this was the diagram that we ended up with. Just before I actually start on Access, we need to know what the data types are going to be able to make the relationships between the tables. So I've got here the data and I've just added a row at the top of the table, and in this row I'm going to identify the data types and the sizes. First name, that's going to be short text, and in terms of size, if we just take the longest one, which is Benjamin, and count the number of characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do it 10. Last name is also going to be short text. And again, the longest one is Boateng. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, we'll probably use 10. Trainee number, we're going to use number. Date of birth is going to be a date and time. And I'm going to do that as a short date. Just put in the initials in just to remind me. Module number will be number. Module name will be short text. And again, look for the longest one. Count up the number of characters. And it looks like static trapeze intermediate is the longest. We'll put that at 30. It's actually 27, but we'll put it at 30. Level, because this is numbered consecutively, 1, 2, 3, we can use auto number for that. And then duration, they're just numbers, we can use number. Cost is money, so we'll use currency. Completion date is going to be date and time, and I'll use short date for that again. And then the result is text, so we'll use short text. And again, look for the longest one. So distinction or classified, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 15 in. So just very quickly, we've just identified the data types and the sizes so we can create our tables and form the relationships. Before we start creating the tables in Access, I just want to make sure that you understand you need to create the tables that do not have foreign keys first. Otherwise you'll have difficulty creating the relationships and drop downs for the foreign keys. So why is this? Well, because we need those primary keys from the tables as foreign keys in other tables, and if they're not there, then we can't use them. I've got Access open now, and I'm still displaying the headings for the data, just to remind me of the data types and the sizes. We're going to create the level table and the trainee table first. So let's do level, and level we said was auto number for the primary key, duration number, and cost will be currency. Create, table, save, TBL level. That's a level table. Make sure you save as you're going along. And it's a good idea to close the tables down. Next one we'll do is trainee. Just a reminder, for the trainee, we've got trainee number. And we said the primary key will be number. We've got the first name, the last name, and the date of birth. The next table we'll create will be the module one. We can't do trainee module just yet because we need the module table first. So reminder, module number, primary key number, module name, level's the foreign key, and that's it for module. Let's just check a minute. Module, level and module name. Level is auto number in its home table. It can't be auto number again. It's got to be number as a foreign key. You've got to make sure that the foreign keys match the primary keys in terms of data type and size, otherwise you won't be able to make the relationships. Next thing we need to do is set this up as a lookup to pick up the level number from the level table. So we click on the down arrow and go to Lookup Wizard. And I want to get the lookup field, get the values from another table. We want TBL level, just the level. Always set up, enable data integrity, and I usually do cascade delete as well. And you'll need to save. Just click on the lookup tab here for the level field. We can see it's a combo box. So the row source is a table, and we're going to select level from TBL level. Just a quick reminder here to click limit to list to yes. Back at our ERD, we've created level, we've created trainee, we've created module, and the final table we need to create now is trainee module. Little reminder, we've got trainee number and module number as the primary key. They're also foreign keys. We need a completion date and a result. Trainee number's number in its home table, so it needs to be number here. Module number is number in its home table, so it needs to be number here. And we'll just deal with these keys while we're here. We can see we've only got the trainee number as the primary key. We need to have the trainee number and the module number as the primary key. I'm on trainee number. I'm going to click primary key, which takes off the key. I'm then going to highlight both rows and click primary key, and you can see now we've got key next to both trainee number and module number. Three things we need to do now to finish this table off: to set up the lookup for the foreign keys for the trainee number and module number. The next we'll do is the trainee number. This time I want the lookup field to get the values from another table. And one we're doing is trainee number, so that's TBL trainee. Always enable data integrity, cascade delete. Just have a look at the lookup tab. It's a combo box, it's based on a table, and we're going to select the trainee number from TBL trainee. Make sure you limit to list yes. Now the module number. And again, just check you've got limit to list, yes. Save the table. And let's close that down, and let's just have a look in database tools, relationships, and we can see here our tables. TBL level has a one-to-many relationship with TBL module, and that's connected using the primary key in TBL level with the foreign key in TBL module. TBL module has a one-to-many relationship with TBL trainee, and that's connected with the primary key from TBL module to the foreign key module number in TBL trainee. And then TBL trainee also has a one-to-many relationship with TBL trainee module. The primary key from TBL trainee forms the relationship using the foreign key trainee in TBL trainee module. In the next video, I'm going to cover setting up the validation in the fields.